Welcome to the quick overview of Sonnet's Thunderbolt to Dual DisplayPort Adapter. This compact and rugged adapter enables you to connect two 4K at 60 Hz DisplayPort displays to a single Thunderbolt port on your computer. With two displays connected, you can fill one with a full-screen workspace and use another for tools and other applications. If you need to connect monitors with lower resolutions, the Sonnet adapter adapts to your needs, making it great for use for different home and office workspace applications. It's even compatible with 1080p HD displays. Sonnet's Thunderbolt to Dual DisplayPort Adapter is a plug-and-play solution, compatible with both Mac and Windows computers. Because it draws its power from the Thunderbolt port, no power adapter is required. If you have a MacBook Pro with 4 Thunderbolt ports, then you can use two Sonnet adapters to enable the connection of 4 4K displays. And if you need to connect a monitor without a DisplayPort input, the Sonnet Dual DisplayPort Adapter is compatible with common active adapters. Whether you need to work on two displays but only have one Thunderbolt port available, or require the highest resolution possible, Sonnet's Thunderbolt to Dual DisplayPort Adapter is the answer.